Hello everyone, welcome to Photo Tutorial Worlds. I'm Triveni Gangadari. In my previous video, I showed you how to use photo simulation software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a simple fluid mechanics problem using photo simulation software. Let us begin. Double click on photo simulation software. It will take few seconds to open up. Click on OK and then click on New to create a new project. Sorry. Let us look at that question. This is a simple fluid mechanics question. That is, calculate the pressure drop across a pipe if water is flowing through it with a volumetric flow rate of 100 meter cube per hour. Given the dimensions of the pipe, diameter is 6 inches and length is 200 feet. I'm copying the question and pasting it into this. So that way it would be easier for me to look at the dimensions or values or numericals, whatever given in the question. Now, in the question, it is given that the component flowing through the pipe is water. So I'm going to select the component as water. Click on component selection and type water. Add, click on OK. Now, select the thermodynamic method. I'm going to select the ideal thermodynamic method. We can find the ideal thermodynamic method in most commonly used. Click on ideal and then add, click on OK. Now, in the question, it is mentioned that water is flowing through the pipe. It means that the unit operation involved in our question is pipe. So go to pressure change and click on pipe and click somewhere on the flow sheet. Enlarging the size of the pipe. Now, connect the inlet and outlet strings to the pipe. Now, here you can see the stream S1 inlet stream and the pipe are red in color. It means that we have to supply the data. So I'm clicking on the stream S1 and renaming it as inlet. Now click on flow rate and composition. According to our question, the flow rate is given as 100 meter cube per hour. So I'm going to change the units of measure to liquid volume and the units to meter cube per hour. 100. Then I'm giving the composition mole as 1 because the pure water is going through the pipe. Suppose if there is a mixture of some solutions going through the pipe, then we have to mention the composition mole for each component. Now click on OK. Then I'm giving the flow specifications temperature. Say the water is flowing at room temperature and atmospheric pressure. Pressure is 3.7 psi. And changing the units to degrees Celsius and the temperature is 25. Click on OK. Now the pipe is red in color. Double click on pipe. Yes. Click on here. You can see the line fitting data is outlined red in color. It means that the user has to supply the data. So click on that. Click on that. And according to the question, the diameter is given as 6 inches. So I'm giving here 6. And the line length is given as 100 feet. So I'm giving it 100. And in the question, there is in the question it is not mentioned anything about roughness. So I'm giving the roughness as 0. Okay. Yeah, now you can see there is no red color in the flow sheet. So now it is ready to run. Now go to the run tab and click on run. Hey, here you can see that our simulation turned blue. It means that our simulation is successful. Our run is successful. So to display our results, go to output and then unit operation property table and click somewhere on the flow sheet. Now the unit operation involved in our flow sheet is pipe. So I'm going to select the pipe. Click on OK. Let me enlarge the size of the table. Here the result that we are looking for is pressure drop, right? So I want to display the pressure drop. Double click on the table and then select the property list to be used as a pressure drop and add II-01 pipe. Click on OK. Now you can see Proto displayed Proto displayed total pressure drop in a table. This way we can display the results whatever we want. We can customize the table like we want. Thank you.